Okay, to give you guys an update right here, 5 hours late is our brand new boom truck. And also an update, it's arriving on a tow truck. We were supposed to drive it down from the mountains today, and it almost made it. And then I guess something with the coolant went wrong. Oops, lost my camera. Something with the coolant went wrong, and so they had to get it towed, and that was quite the experience after dealing with Glenwood Canyon being closed because of flash flood warnings, and that delayed everything. And so it was just kind of one thing after another. So now we finally have the boom truck, and I'll show you guys its arrival. I'll walk over there so you can kind of see what's going on. There's the lights of the tow truck, and our new boom truck, which, you know, when it's working, it'll be great. We got a really good deal on it. It was up in the mountains about, let's see, 3.5 hours from us. And so my dad and husband drove up, left early this morning, got there, tested it out, everything worked. It has like a practically brand new engine built into it. And so we got a good deal on it, but obviously it needs a little bit of work.
To make it easier for you, come right down in here and I'll stop you before you get to the well. Put it right there.
Well, you finally made it after your long, how many hours have you guys been on this journey?
Yeah.
It's 10 o'clock now, and you guys left at 8 a.m. this morning?
Yep. As long as it blew a radiator hose.
Oh, a radiator hose.
Yeah. So as long as it didn't ruin the engine, we were in golden.
Well, Kim said you pulled over pretty quickly.
Yeah. Yeah, I got over and got it stopped. But so more than likely we didn't do it, but. Yeah, I gotta find that lot. Those happen to be big one. It's a big one. I'm gonna figure out the engine and order the hose.
So apparently, something to do with the radiator coolant. So we're hoping he pulled over before there was any damage to the engine. So we'll have to figure out exactly what's wrong and get it fixed. Oh, there she is, folks. We're backing her in right now. Park her over here, and tomorrow get it figured out what we're gonna do. But assuming we can get it fixed and everything working properly, we should have a pretty great piece of equipment to help us here at the house.
Good morning, everybody. Last night was kind of an interesting night. We had a water line, or antifreeze line break on the on our new truck that we just bought to set all the beams and stuff. So this morning, because we had it towed, I have to reattach the drivetrain underneath. And so what I'm doing here is just getting a way to support it so that I don't have to support all its weight. And I'm going to reattach that and fix the hose. I think I'm going to temporarily fix the hose by cutting it, reattaching it to the radiator where the hole is. I'll just cut out where the hole is for a temporary fix until I can get a proper hose for it, so I can set my beams today. So that's what I'm working on right now. We had to take out the U-joint because when you tow it, you don't want it running the transmission. So I put back the U-joint, put the U-joints back on in.
Well, as you guys can see in the light of day, here's the new boom truck. We almost made it out of the mountains. Just before the last hill is when the fiasco happened. You know, after several hour delay because of flash flood warnings in the canyon and shutting down the road, and so it was a bit of an adventure yesterday. But there she is. As you can see, here's where you can stand and operate the crane at the end. So this is what we'll use to set all the beams, set the roof trusses. It'll just help things go faster and smoother once we actually, get it working. So I'll take you around here so you can see. There's the hose right there that blew. So when it blew, they had to pull over right away so that it didn't cause any damage to the engine. So we're hoping there's no other issues, that it's just a hose that went bad and needs to be fixed, and that's all there is to it. But we'll see if that's the case. But she's at least here. We got her, and we'll see how it goes fixing her. Everything else hopefully works great, and we'll be able to make some good progress here.